Hello and welcome to another tutorial. This is part 4 where I'm going to show you how to make a really simple kick and ban command. I was going to show you how to do a slightly more advanced one with some extra parameters and stuff, but I'm thinking for this episode let's do a simple one, and then future one I will do a slightly more advanced one. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start this code like every other bit of code we've written. Client.command, open and close brackets. New line, async def, and now our name of our command. So let's do kick. And now let's open up our brackets. Now we can put some stuff in our brackets. First thing we want to add is our context, then dash, and now we need to also get our member. So let's type in member, colon, and then Discord dot, and then we're going to write member, and we're going to do it the same way we did it beforehand with a capital, and then we're going to do a dash, a space, a time symbol, dash, and then a reason equals none. So what we've done here is when you have to kick or ban someone on Discord, you have to give it a reason. So that's what the star does here. So what I've done is I've just always said when we kick someone, always add the reason of nothing. And now we want to put another colon to actually do our function, because that's almost like the if statement. I mean, it's not, but if so, you have to try and visualize it from basic Python. That's how I would. And now we need to do await. And now we want to do member with a capital M. Make sure you do it the exact same way you've done it here. Dot kick. Again, make sure they're both lowercase. Then we're going to go open brackets, reason equals reason. So there's one problem here, which is anyone with any permission can kick people. So I want to do it so only members with the permission of kick member can do this. So I'm going to test this command out and then we're going to do it, or add the permissions. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to copy this, we're going to go down and paste it in again. And then everywhere we've written the word kick, just replace it with the word ban, and bam, we have a ban command as well. So let's run this code, which is Control F5 on VS Code if you've forgotten, but it can be anything on your code editor. There, so open up your test server, bot should be running, and what we're going to do is just try to do dot kick, and then at shadow in the night. And as you can see, he's not there. It works. I'm just going to re-invite him quickly. There we go. You can see he's back. So now next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the permissions. So only we can do this. Or only people with the right permission can do this. So we're going to go back to Visual Code. We're going to add a couple new lines just to make it look neater. And we're going to do something similar to what we've done here, which is at client dot has underscore permissions if you wanted to. Sorry, no, at commands has permissions. If you want to copy this first part, you can. There you go. At commands dot has underscore permissions. Open brackets. Now here we're doing something different. We're going to write kick underscore members equals to true. Just like that. And it is that easy to lock it so only people with that permission can use it. So if we paste it there, and this is done. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or go over to my Discord and leave them there. And if you want to have the copy of the code, just the link to the GitHub will be in the description. Thank you for watching. It's been great to have you, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye. Bye.